Say his name one time. Paris Collins. Let's ride from Georgia up.
Hey guys, today we are out here in Conyers. What's that? Oh, just checking something. Today we're out here in Conyers. It took me forever to find this place. This is a property tour. Still looking for that special home, for that special client. And I don't know how they got this one, but on every GPS, it either stops short of this place or you overshoot it. But this is a nice one so far. I haven't been inside. Ooh, is that the Starlink right there? Yeah. All right, we're gonna step inside. All right. So, let's turn on the lights. This is a nice one. Open floor plan. Have a nice kitchen. And we are seeing this together because of the rain. I could not get here and check out everything, and I don't see the light switch that I'm looking for. Nice sink. There's a pantry. I believe this is the garage. Oh, there it is. Now you guys get to see it right. I like these lights.
Garage door open.
All right. 3-car garage, nice. I don't believe you have a basement on this property. It's just a closet here. Nice shower. Big closet. Powder room. Closet in the hallway. I like these windows. New construction. Everything smells new. I love the ceiling fans. You have a nice little sitting area here. And we'll start here. Again, this is a new home, so all of the closets are big. You could definitely fit, I think you could fit a queen bed in here. You definitely could fit a queen size bed in here. And we'll check out the laundry room. Very big laundry room. Nice cabinets in the laundry room. Bathroom in the hallway. I can't wait to check out that backyard. So, this is your bedroom. This isn't the master, but this is one of the bedrooms. I'm still frustrated at getting caught in the rain and couldn't find this place. Okay. I don't even think this is the master, and this could fit a king size bed. None of those wire racks in this house. This house is ready to go. Everything is new. I personally prefer a dark wood on the floors, but that's just me. Oh yeah, this is definitely the master bedroom. Take a look at that view. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera how big this bedroom is. Is it coming across? This is the closet. Where's that? Again, no wire racks. This is the master bathroom. You have 2 shower heads. Let's see. Oh, this shower's just like mine. Nice soak tub if you're into that. Nice window. Nice little chandelier. And is that window cracked? Yes, it is. That window is cracked right there. All right, guys, let's check out the patio. So this is your little patio. Nice little area. I believe that's part of your yard too. Back in that area. Right across the way, they're building another one. I believe it'll look similar to this one. Let me see if I can get a back shot of the house. Let you guys see your next home. All right, so just so y'all see that and y'all my witness, it's already footprints in the house and right here, and that didn't come from me. All right, guys. We are in Conyers. Going to walk through Conyers. Show my clients something different. I think we've seen everything in Stone Mountain, so figured I'd take you guys with me on this little tour. And hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Again, links will be in the comment section or the description below. And phone number should be on the screen. Hit me up. Let me know what you think. Tell me if you like this house or you hate it or what you would do with it and all that good stuff. Everything will be in the description below. So again, this has been a property tour with Paris Collins and Paris Brown Estates. Hit me up and let me know what you think.
Storytellers, from condos up high to porch swings low. He's got a place everywhere you wanna go. You bring the dream, he brings the pen. Shake his hand once, you're coming back again. Who you gonna call when you're ready to move? Paris Collins stepping in the room. Best in the game, yeah, you know that's right. He'll find your deal in the day or the night. Hey, Georgia Peach, city streets. He connects the dots where the numbers meet. Say his name, watch the doors and lock. Paris on your side and you're ready to rock. Collins on the line. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. Let's go. Best beard in the business, say it loud. Handsome with the hustle, make his mama proud. Oh yeah. Georgia to Chicago, he's the one that call. You're trying to win in real estate, he's got it